Ngesikhathi khipha isinqumo, inkantolo ithe izethulo zenhlangano iProtection of Our Constitution azinayo into ephathekayo ngoba akekho onqabele ozamazama ukuthi baphume kule mayini. Amaphoyisa asemukele isinqumo senkantolo.
We welcome the judgment. Our operations are continuing. We will continue to stand the authority of the state. We will continue to stand static at all these disused and abandoned mine shafts.
Izolo ebusuku bathe bephuma abanye ozamazama abayi-14 okubalwa kubo nengane eneminyaka eyi-14 ubudala. Bazithela phezu kwamaphoyisa baboshwa. Bonke bangabokudabuka eMozambique.
14 came out of the 10 shaft and all of them are Mozambicans. This is the shaft the mining authorities had indicated that it is flooded. And again, it is worth mentioning that these illegal miners, they were wet.
Liyaqhubeka uhlelo longoti lokuzama ukukhipha ozamazama ngaphansi emathunjini omhlaba. Okwamanje bangu-1259 ozamazama asebeziphumele ngokwabo kulomgodi. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu utuse kakhulu umsebenzi osuwenziwe amaphoyisa ukubhekana nenkinga yabamba igolide ngokungemthetho.
We are satisfied that police, South African Police Service and the department as a whole, that their actions in Stilfontein are all in keeping with the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa and the laws thereof.
NgoLwesihlanu ozamazama bathumela incwadi ebhalwe ukuthi babalelwa emakhulwini amahlanu ozamazama asebesele emgodini kanti abangamakhulu amathathu babo abaphilile kahle bacela ukuhlinzekwa ngokudla. Ongoti bebengakaqaguli ukuthi umsebenzi wokutakula uzophela nini.